Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the equal payment serious capital recovery amount. The last class we were discuss about the payment series present worth method. But in this case, the the main objective of this mode of investment is to find the annual equivalent amount, which means A, which is to be recovered at the end of every interest period for n interest periods for the loan amount called P, which is sanctioned now at the interest rate of I compoundedly. So it's like a loan, right? So the bank will give a loan amount and they will charge the interest for the loan amount for the particular year and for the particular interest. So after end of every year, we have to repay the interest amount. So the same scenario here. So this is the cash flow diagram. So in this cash flow diagram, we can see there will be P, that is a present worth, that is a loan amount which is given by the bank, and corresponding number of years and corresponding interest rate. So equal amount of every year. So like it is a constant term, right? So I is nothing but the interest rate and N is nothing but the number of interest period and A is nothing but the annual equivalent payments. That is the recovery amount we have to pay to the bank. So how to find the present worth? That's a loan amount, right? So usually the loan amount is given. The only thing is we have to find the A. So the formula is A is equal to P is equal to I 1 plus I power n divided by 1 plus I power n minus 1. So this is one of the way you have to find the equal annual equal amount. And the other way, so you have to get the value, the A by P I comma n. It is called as a equivalent payment series capital recovery factor, which is we can find in the interest table for the I percentage of interest for the n period of the loan. So the value you can directly get the get from the interest table. So I already mentioned in the class. So you have to I already sent the interest table, right? So you have to print out, get take a printout and get the HOD signature with a seal, and you can use it for the CCT and as well as the end semester examination, right? So from the interest table, you can able to get it this factor. Let's see one example, right? So a bank gives a loan to the company to purchase an equipment worth rupees 10 lakhs at an interest rate of 18 percentage compound annually, and this amount should be repaid in 15 years, equal installment. Find the installment amount that the company has to pay to the bank, and you have to draw the corresponding cash flow diagram. The initial payment rupees 10 lakhs, which is given by the bank for the 15 years for 18 percentage compound, and you have to apply all the values into the formula. P is given, I is known, and N also known. So this 0.1964 we can get it from the interest table, right? So the total value, the annual recovery amount should be rupees 1,96,400. So this is the amount we have to pay to the bank every year, every completed of the year, right? So I hope you understand the concept of equal payment series capital recovery amount. Thank you.